Today, we're diving into the world of TrueNAS, where data storage meets cutting-edge technology. Meet the TrueNAS Mini RNX Plus 32GB memory upgrade, a game-changer in the realm of storage solutions. First off, let's talk about memory. With a 32GB DDR4 2400MHz ECC registered RAM, this upgrade is not just about increasing capacity, but also about enhancing reliability. ECC, error-correcting code, memory ensures that your data remains intact, protecting against internal corruption like a digital fortress. But it doesn't stop there. The TrueNAS Mini RNX Plus take performance to the next level with CFS caching technology. By intelligently caching frequently accessed data, you'll experience lightning-fast read and write speeds, making data retrieval a breeze. And who better to trust with your storage needs than iSystems, the brains behind TrueNAS, the world's most popular storage operating system? With their stamp of approval, you can rest assured that this hardware upgrade is not just a gimmick but a meticulously crafted solution designed to meet your storage demands. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best-in-class storage upgrade, look no further than the TrueNAS Mini RNX Plus 32GB memory upgrade. With ECC memory, ZFS caching, and the iSystems seal of approval, it's a powerhouse combination that delivers on both performance and reliability. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.